If you've been holding onto your Galaxy S21 Ultra all these years, waiting for Samsung to make a phone that feels like a true successor, your patience might finally pay off next year. The upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra may not be a perfect spiritual sequel, but from what leaks and reports suggest, it's going to get pretty close. Let's talk about why the Galaxy S26 Ultra could be the phone that finally convinces longtime S21 Ultra users to upgrade. The S21 Ultra, the last true S series designed to understand the hype. We have to go back to what made the Galaxy S21 Ultra so special in the first place. For many Samsung fans, it was the last pure S-series flagship before the company merged its S and Note lines. The S21 Ultra had a very distinctive design, a bold and elegant camera housing that curved into the frame, soft rounded corners, and slightly curved display edges. And importantly, there was no S Pen slot built into the phone. You could use an S Pen if you wanted, but it was an optional accessory, not a defining part of the phone. It felt like a Galaxy S device through and through, not a Note in disguise. Then came 2022 and the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and everything changed. Samsung essentially turned its top-tier S phone into a Note replacement, complete with a boxier design and a built-in S Pen. Many users loved it, but just as many missed the old S-series identity. The S26 Ultra might bring some of that back fast forward to now, and according to recent leaks, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could be the closest thing to a return to that classic design philosophy. It won't completely ditch the Note-style DNA. It's still expected to have a built-in S Pen holster, and the overall frame will likely be flatter. But the phone is rumored to bring back softer corners and a bolder, more defined camera housing, rather than just individual camera rings. That's a big deal for longtime Samsung fans. The camera design of the S21 Ultra was one of its most recognizable features, and seeing something closer to that again gives this new phone a more balanced, S-style look. The S Pen's role is fading interestingly, while the S Pen slot is staying for now. It seems like the pen itself is becoming less central to the Ultra lineup. Since Samsung dropped Bluetooth S Pen features, it's no longer as powerful or essential as it once was. That means the S Pen is more of a nice-to-have rather than a defining tool. Some rumors even suggest that by the time we get to the Galaxy S27 Ultra, Samsung might remove the pen slot altogether. So in a way, the Ultra line might slowly be drifting back toward what the S series originally stood for, a high-performance, beautifully designed phone without the Note-style baggage. What else to expect now? Even if you don't care much about the design changes, there's no denying that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be an absolute powerhouse. You can expect next-generation performance with a new Snapdragon processor, faster storage speeds, and improved thermal efficiency. The display will likely be brighter and more color-accurate than ever before. Samsung is reportedly pushing its AMOLED panels to new limits. On top of that, you'll see better cameras, faster charging, and even clearer, louder speakers. The phone is also expected to feature upgraded build materials and a more durable frame. Of course, the S21 Ultra was a monster in its time, but after nearly 5 years, even its strongest specs can't keep up with what Samsung's new flagships can do. The S26 Ultra will easily outperform it in every category, from camera processing to battery efficiency and display technology. Close enough to be good enough, let's be honest. For many Galaxy S21 Ultra users, nothing will ever truly match the magic of that phone. It had a certain balance of power, elegance, and simplicity that later models traded for productivity and stylish features. But the Galaxy S26 Ultra looks like the first real attempt to meet those users halfway. It may not abandon the S Pen or the boxy Note-inspired silhouette completely, but it's introducing softer curves, a bolder camera look, and a design language that feels more like the classic S-series spirit. And when you add in the leaps in hardware, battery life, and display quality, it's shaping up to be one of the most complete flagships Samsung has made in years. So, while the Galaxy S26 Ultra might not be the perfect spiritual successor to the Galaxy S21 Ultra, It's probably the closest we've gotten yet. And for all the S21 Ultra owners who've been waiting for the right moment to upgrade, this might finally be it.